afternoon, everyone. I'm Cyrus, your news reporter. Recently, some students are conducting a campaign about slowing down CityU students' pace of life. In the campaign, a group of students are studying about the art pieces near government headquarters. Let's have a look on the art pieces and how CityU students feel about it.
Hello everyone, I'm Kaka Lam. Today I'm going to interview CityU students. Let's start. Hello， 可唔可以做個訪問啊？
可以啊，可以。
我想問你咧，有冇留意有冇去過正總啊？
有啊，有經過。
有。咁你知唔知入邊咧會有一啲藝術擺設喺度㗎？
唔知喎，乜有嘅咩？
知唔知道嗰度有幾件藝術品、藝術擺設喺度啊？
唔知喎。
唔知啊，佢嗰度有 total 5嚿藝術品。咁有冇留意到嗰度有幾個藝術擺設、藝術品咁樣啊？
即係有幾嚿嘢。
啊，係啊！你知唔知佢嘅意思係咩啊？
唔知喎。
Tamar Public Art Project is conducted by government in the open space area of Central Government Complex. Soundscape, along with Key to the City, Central Spring, Photosynthesis Emotion, and Fruit Market are the 5 art pieces in the project. According to the official introduction, Soundscape, created by Stephen Ho, Elvin Kong, and Edmund Wong, is seen as still terrazzo sculpture. The dynamic shape formed by the undulating steel tubes is represented part of the national anthem of the People's Republic of China. Moreover, you can play the national anthem by striking the percussion devices wandering along the path that make up the sculpture. It is also a piece of urban art furniture which you can take a rest or sit on.
Hope you guys enjoy the video.
And pay more attention to the art pieces around you. Thank you.
Bye bye.
呢個就呢個。
我有啲緊張。可以揾個 nice 啲嘅先做。
女仔身，喂，個3個2個女仔加個男仔，算到先分開下。應該唔係一齊嘅，好似一齊。
可以唔好玩我聽好驚。有一個，加速咗。
佢跌咗好多機會啊！
咁我都拒絕。